Hi, this is the clock guy. I normally work on clocks, but I wanted to show you something. It's called Howard Restor-A-Finish. Absolutely a miracle in a can. I found this chair on the side of the road. Yes, I pick things up off the side of the road. Yes, I dumpster dive, but we don't like things in landfills, and why throw things away? Don't throw it in a landfill. Anyway, it's pretty hammered. It's a nice looking chair, that's why I saw it. But you could steel wool things, you could strip it, you could, if you really like the chair, if it was an heirloom and you wanted to keep it. I can't tell you how many chairs I've ruined or have left half finished because stripping takes forever and you don't have forever. I don't even have forever if I was going to use steel wool or sandpaper just to get the rough edges off of here. What I'm going to do is just use Howard and show you what happens before you spend the money to get it redone, or before you spend the time to get it redone and don't finish it, because you know you're not going to finish it. Let's see what happens if you just do this. And I'm going to try and do it quickly because I want to show you how long it takes to redo a chair. I'm going to try and match the color. I have mahogany and ebony brown. When I say miracle, I don't expect this to be a brand new chair like a magic trick. I expect it to look a whole lot better when I'm finished. I'll do half of the chair just to show you. Okay. Well, it probably could use a little stain, as I see right away, but I'll get to that later. What I want to show you is Howard. When this dries, it dries almost the shininess of what you see here. It's very close. It's not like when you're wiping on varnish or something and it's real shiny, and when it dries it's dull and you have to sand it. This is all you have to do to this chair. I would wait to sit on it, but this is what I do with my clocks. You want to add value to something, like an old clock, you want to sell something on eBay or at a yard sale. If you put the few minutes in, like I'm doing, and I'm not going to put a lot of time into this because let's pretend we have a lot of things to sell. And we don't have a lot of time because we are working hard, or we just have a lot of things to clean. So I'm going to show you what you can accomplish in just a few minutes. Pretty much every clock I get gets a treatment of Howard, just to make it look better. You don't even need to dust it. This will dust it for you. It takes all the dust off, all the dirt. Can you see this, or are you just watching the back of my head? You watching the back of my head? Okay. Tell you what I like doing. I like fixing things. I'm someone, I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that love to fix things. They will just sit and tinker away. Fix and fix. You can see that. Bottoms usually get moldy. A lot of times I turn chairs over because I want to see who made them. Sometimes you can see a chair, you think, oh, that's not that great. Then you turn it over and it's a Stickley or it's a Herman Miller or something in that. makes it worth cleaning no matter what condition it's in. But I hope you can see this. Oh, I think you can. So I'm going to make a line here just to show you. And I'm going to pretty much say I'm finished with this. Now, we'll just go with that. Oh, I dropped my rag. I guess I'm finished. Okay, let's see what we have here. That's a few minutes of rubbing. What do we have? That's the seat. I will stain that, make it darker, and which is good. This doesn't seal it, so you can actually stain that after you do the Howard. How much nicer? I can see it anyway. If you can't, you're gonna have to take my word for it. But you can see right there, right? The difference between these. There's the side, the legs. See that leg? Here's the front leg. There's the center. There's the bottom. Look at the bottom. That is the bottom of the chair. There was that gray stuff is like a mildew. So look at, I didn't even wipe it. I used the Howard to clean it, to wipe it, to stain it, to protect it. And tell me that is not amazing. And I'm not one to make videos. Okay, there's the bottom. I will now finish it and show you the finished product. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to finish the rest of it and I will show you when I'm finished. Okay. With the exception of this spot, which I will redo, I'm going to just do this spot after this dries. And hopefully it will darken each time I do it. But there is a chair that I found. Well, anyway, take that out. I will work on this. I'll give it another coat. This already has a couple coats down here. I've been working on it, so it's getting better. You see, it will, my guess, it will fade into and look like the rest of the chair very soon. But there are the back, the stretchers, the bottom. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? All I did was wipe it, and that had mildew and stains. This is the corner. This is the corner that the dog chewed. Yes, you're not going to get those scratches out, but you definitely hide them, don't you? That is amazing, isn't it? If you agree, comment below, because I am a raging fan of this product. Howard Restor-A-Finish. Just take a look at that chair. In fact, I think I'm going to keep it and add it to my chairs. Okay. This is the clock guy saying thanks for watching. Please go out, do yourself a favor, get some of this Restor-A-Finish. It's It's a miracle in a can. And thank you.